In this session, we are going to look at how to remove duplicates from a data and also how to protect your sheet, file, workbook and hyperlink with the file sheets. Okay, so let's start. As we already learned in the data valid in the conditional formatting, there are the different options to, as per your condition, we can highlight the certain range. Okay, so if you want to if in your data you have a different duplicates and you want to just highlight them, so as we learn in a conditional formatting, there is an option in a highlighted cells rule. Go to the duplicate values. So I want fill with the right red, fill with the dark red, and just click a OK. So you can see there are two duplicates values are present. If you just want to highlight them and you want to see the which all the duplicates are present, because sometimes deleting the duplicates is not a good option when you are visualizing the data. So just need to check which type of duplicate you have. That's maybe the importance information it contains. So just highlight the duplicates, analyze them, and then you go to the deletion of option. So I want to clear this rule. Now in a data tab, after this data validation, there is a option is a remove duplicates. Okay, delete duplicates rows from a sheet. Okay, I want from this to delete the duplicate. You just need to select your data and click the delete duplicates, and it's showing expand the section or remove or secondary continue with the current section. I want to continue with the whatever I select the current and remove duplicates. Okay, so which column you want to delete, then quantity. So I just, there are the one value found and removed, 12 unique remains. Okay, one value that found and removed and 12 unique values are remain. Now is just delete that one value. Let's see for the whole data how it's work. I select this whole, remove duplicates, and I want to select the all column. There is a no duplicate value because that each row value is a unique value. Okay, that each row with the column is a unique value. If there is the same duplicates like LITL and also with the drone S and 69. So if there is a trade moist and chocolate chips 78 drone S, so this whole value is a whole range or is a whole cell, it's same present in a another row, so that is called a duplicate. Okay, so remember when you are selecting whole data, you need, if the have the whole data rows is the same, then it's removed. And if you want to work with the column wise, you can go with the selecting this one column and delete it. Now next we can check with the data how to add a hyperlink in your sheets. Okay, so how to put a hyperlink to in your sheet. Let's if I want to add here any text, go to, and in the next sheet I want to be here. Okay, so hyperlinks, it's to connect this sheet to the next sheet. Okay, so click the right click, and or you want to, the shortcut is a Control K. Okay, now I want this place in this document. Okay, not the entire web page. So there are lots of sheets available. I want to go in the sheet 9. I want to reference this cell for this hyperlink, and if I click OK, you can see this blue with the underline is created. It means if I click on this, you can see I am present in the next data. Let's wait for, I will increase this text so you can see easily. Okay, after add the hyperlink, if I just click, you can see I am in the next sheet. Okay, so this is we add hyperlink to the sheet. Now I want to add for the file, okay, or I want to add with any website or any document. Okay, same as we do here. Just I want to create another text for click here, because whenever you want to show some links, we always create the click here so user understand easily. Now Control K is the shortcut. I want to existing file or web page. If this is from the folder, okay, so I want to go with the desktop. Let's check with the any desktop. Yeah, this is desktop. Here if I have something PDF on the desktop, let's suppose I want to open this syllabus file. Okay, just click on that and okay. Now if I click this one, that automatically open the syllabus worksheet and there is a showing, do you want to continue or no? This I want to continue as, that automatically word file is opening now. Just wait for a second. If you have the PDF file or you want to open any website or anything you want it here, you just add it with the hyperlink. Okay, it's maybe because I choose a word file, so that's taking time to open, but you whenever you add, you can see that all of this PDF is open now. Okay, let's go with the, now the next thing we need to learn now, protect the sheet. Okay, if this data, okay, I have this data and I want to protect the sheets. Okay, it means you are given the access to user or you don't want to give the access to user. Okay, suppose you want to add the password to when the open, or you want to add password, someone is entering data in your file. Let's check how that's work. Just click on the right and here is the option called just a second. Click on this sheet. Now there is an option called protect sheet. Okay, if you click on this protect sheet, there is the option if you want to select unlocked cell and also format cell or inserting rows or inserting column, insert or delete. You want to give this access to user. Just first thing you need to add password. Just remember, add easy password, don't make it complicated so you can remember easily. Okay, just click OK, re-enter your password. Now if I want to, you can see the cell on a chart or typing change in the protected sheet. Okay, so you can you just see this data but you can't edit this data. And how to unprotect, click on that and there is unprotect your sheet. Okay, so this I need to enter your password. This option is also available in the review tab. Go to the review, there is a protect sheet, protect workbook and the share. So in a what is the this, now we learn how to protect sheet. In the protect workbook, the keep other from making the structural changes to your workbook, such as moving, deleting, adding. Okay, for the whole workbook. Okay, not only sheet, because I added the sheet. Go to the file, click on this file, and there is the option protect workbook. Click on this, and you can add the protect current sheet or protect the structure only. So you can choose, and same the procedure you can follow to add the password and enter the password for the protect your whole workbook. So summarize the all things. We learned conditional format and data validation. After that, we learn different types of, or how to add hyperlink to the file and for the sheet, and also how to delete the duplicates and highlight the duplicates, and how to protect your sheet and the workbook. Okay, thank you.